Hello, I'm Matteo, the Chief Mobile Opinionist at Tech Travel Geeks. Today we're going to unbox a power bank. I'm going to be going to IFA at the very beginning of September, and one of the things that usually happens on trade shows is your phone or your devices start running low on battery. So this is a power bank. So it's a portable battery which allows you to charge devices on the go without the need of a power outlet. This in particular is a 20,000 mAh battery, which means that it should charge something like my Huawei P30 Pro or my Google Pixel 3 XL at least 3 to 4 times. But it can depend on various conditions. As you can see from the packaging is simple cardboard. There is a symbol saying that it has certified frustration-free packaging, which means I shouldn't really need that pair of scissors to open the box. But let's find out if this is true. And yes, it's a nice cardboard-based tape, which allows me to open the box. There is a warning on the back saying that this is do not load or transport package if damaged because it contains lithium batteries. And it's very straightforward packaging. There is a paper welcome guide, a quick walkthrough of how to use the power bank and which ports are where, and what the power indicator is. And very simply, with a bit of plastic, there's the power bank itself. But we'll put that aside for now. As well as the power bank, this comes with a USB-A to micro USB cable and a USB-C to USB-C power cable. And the reason for that is that this is a power delivery device. It's a PD device, which allows you to charge the device from USB Type-C, but also means that you can charge devices slightly faster using power delivery. So as you can see on the back, it says TeckNet. There's the SKU or stock keeping unit number. There's the capacity. And you can see that the input can be 5 volt 2 amp, 9 volt 2 amp, which is 18 watt, and 12 volt at 1.5 amp, which is also 18 watt. So this will charge quickly. So when you're plugging your power bank into the mains to charge it, it will charge quickly. But it will also output at power delivery 2 level, which is 5 volts or 15 volt at 18 watts. So it's an 18 watt output, which should fast charge devices such as the Huawei P30 Pro or the Google Pixel 3 XL, which are two of the devices I will be taking to Berlin for the IFA trade show. And as you can see at the top, there is 2 USB Type A ports. They're orange ones, which usually indicate that it is a fast output. There's a micro USB that's for input of power. So if you're plugging in to charge at night, you'll charge via micro USB. And there's USB Type-C, which is both an input for charging and should also be an output. So there you go. So you can see it says both input and output from Type-C. So this is a 20,000 mAh battery, and we're going to plug it in. Whoops. Apologies for the wobble there. We're going to plug it in to see what the charging looks like. So where's the indicator? I can see there's an on-off button, which is usually what you tap to work out. Oh, there we go. You can see that this is out of the box, seems to have half a charge, and it's flashing on the third LED. So it has 4 LEDs, each one indicating a quarter charge, and once it's fully charged, there should be no flashing LEDs, and it's 4 full LEDs. Now, to hold, it's quite hefty. It feels heavy, and you'd expect that of a 20,000 mAh power bank. It's cool to the touch because it is metal, which is good for heat dissipation when charging and discharging. There's a reassuring little bezel and sort of inner notch here, which makes it good for holding. you're less likely to have it slip out of your hand, but it is a bit of a slippy, cold metal material. Having said that, you can see it's a sort of matte finish, and it does get a bit of fingerprints off my warm hands at this point in time. But I'm sure that's not really an issue. The core product here is not to look pretty. It's a very utilitarian product. It's about charging your devices. And I'm going to charge this one up. Once I'm back from IFA, I'll do a full written review on techtravelgeeks.com to let you know how I got on with this TeckNet 20,000 mAh power bank. So thanks for watching this unboxing of the TeckNet power bank. I'll put my little Amazon Fire tablet away. So thanks for watching, as I said, and if you'd like to see more unboxings of products such as this, or other of our reviews, such as Lukash's video of his Tesla Model 3, do subscribe to the Tech Travel Geeks here on YouTube. That's Tech Travel Geeks on YouTube, and you should be able to find techtravelgeeks.com in the web browser of your choice. Speaking of Lukash's Tesla Model 3 video, I wonder how many miles of charge this TeckNet 20,000 mAh power bank would provide him with. Suppose there's only one way to find out. See if we can plug it in. But for now, thanks for watching, and again, as I mentioned, please do subscribe to the Tech Travel Geeks here on YouTube. Thanks very much. Goodbye.